So guys, I was supposed to take the red fuzz out for a drive, but the black fuzz has a puncher, so we've got to fix that. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Glenn. This is Harrods Garage. The black fuzz, we got a puncher. It was flat, and I just drove up the road. Put the pump in there. Got it back. So I'm gonna have to jack up this corner. So might as well do the exhaust as well while I'm there. Now it doesn't look like it's gone down much since I pumped it up, so I'll definitely check if it's actually got a puncher, if somebody thought it'd be funny and let it down overnight. Yeah, you can see I've got other Subaru, so I've got spare tyres, wheels. I haven't even checked the spare tyre on this since having it for 2 years. Whew, it's hot in here. Hot day today. We're at 38. Got 241 today. That's another reason why I didn't really want to take the red one out today. Plus, busy today. Got lots of family stuff on, so might have to take the red one out tomorrow morning. Great. Now it's raining. That's Melbourne. Right, so I got these wheels here off the GT. The ones off the Spectre Liberty are on the red one. Wow. Nothing's going as planned since coming back from holidays. So this morning I'm pretty sure I pumped it up to 15 or 20. Not much, just to get it. I was literally $2 up just to reverse it down and get it back in the driveway. So I'm just going to check what it's at now, see if it's gone down anymore. Yeah, it's below 10. Alright, so we're going to jack it up, get it off, inspect, see if it can be fixed. We can fix it at work, do puncture repairs at work. I had these tyres on here for 2 years since I got it. And I drive 5k's to work a day, so only the occasional rip. There's still plenty of tread on them. Yes. Let's have a look at the spare. Right, got the cargo mat in there from the red fuzz. Oh, the old Steely. Yeah, she's looking a bit worn down. Or should I put one of these? These actually pretty hard. They're dry rotted. There's the other Steely. Alright, we'll get the spare out. Right, I've never taken the spare wheel out, so let's see what crap is under it. I know there was a lot in the Liberty, got like a whole bag. It's hard to do one-handed. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Alright guys, so I've been thinking about getting the tow bar on here too. Saw a couple at the wreckers and they were mounted through here, like had to drill holes. It was weird, but it was genuine. That was like the rear mount for it, but it also went along the rails. Two 1560, 1560, 1560. Alright, they're all the same. Let's see how this one is. Alright, that's at 20. Got the compressor going, I'll pump that up. Hopefully it's all good. If not, there'll be a GT one going on. Alright, so I have pumped up the spare. It's got 40 PSI in it. Pumped up the flat one, it's got 40. Negative whatever's coming out. Got the deck. Got the old jack. Let's swap this over. So I'm just going to do this quickly and then we'll do the exhaust. Don't even know if this jack will get high enough. Nope. See under it? Yeah. Swap it over. I was thinking of running these on my red one for a while. But, nah. Make sure they're all centered. Alright, let's see if we can find the puncher. It's weird. Can't see anything. Very strange. Can't feel anything. Oh, there we go. That's probably it right there. Let's spray some bubbly water on it and see if it bubbles. Right. This isn't like detergent, it's a cleaning product. Maybe I'll go dishwashing liquid. It's not bubbling. Let's keep looking. Thought that would definitely be it. That was pretty deep gash. Well, I can't see anything. Nothing on the sidewall. Okay. That's weird. Well, I'm not driving the car. I'm going out tonight though, but taking the missus' car. But we'll see how we go. See if that one goes down. Alright, we're going to get rid of this stock diff back and put my one back on that I customised. Alright, this is the APS Cannon Muffler. As you can see, stock, and stepped up into I think 3.5. So yeah, it's pretty loud. Nice note. Let's get it back on. Alright, stock one's out. Pretty simple. Just get the two 14 bolts, nuts, and the gasket, and she's off. Let's get the APS Cannon back on. Alright, let's get this back up. I do miss the rumble. There we go, she's back on. A little too big, but probably the worst thing is, you can see it from the side. I think I should get some spats for the back here. Alright, let's get it down. See how that tyre goes. See how that one goes. And we'll start it up for you. Alright guys, next video we'll be taking the built Forester out. I have done a little bit of wizardry on the old laptop. Great, GoPro's playing up again. Yesterday it was overheating, now it didn't charge at all overnight. Car's really dirty now because it rained a little bit, now it's really dusty. I was planning on doing a proper detail on it later in the week, so we'll just take it out for a drive, the black fuzz I'm talking about, and we'll come back and in another video we'll give it a good detail. So let's go here what the APS Cannon exhaust sounds like on the XT fuzz with the rest of the exhaust system stock. Alright, let's start her up. Sounds alright. Let it warm up. We'll go for a drive. Alright, so had a question asked about the exhaust and if it drones really bad at about 3000 RPM. So I'll let you know when I'm at 3k and let me know if you think it's drony. I'll tell you what gear I'm in too. Alright, let's try that again because GoPro's stuffed up. I think it's getting too hot. Let you know what gear I'm in, speed and RPM. So I'm in third at 3000 at 60 k's. Awesome. Let's pull over. Tell you what, I'm glad I didn't put it on the outside for the exhaust. Jeez. Second, 5 grand. Ah, you can see my face. Second gear, downshifting. I like it. There's a lot louder cars out there. Alright. Visuals are still good. Dead. Up to 4 grand. Still looking good. I think it's just overheated. Whee, roll back.
1
Hey, there's my next car. Oh, did I just give away a secret then? Oh, I missed it. That's Subaru, isn't it? The Rumble. Had some okay shocks before, but yeah, GoPro stuffed up. Anyways, we'll head back. It's all good. The wheels and tires, I'll get the other one checked out when I go back to work next week. Hopefully it's an easy fix. I need to swap over a valve on the Spec B wheel. It's got a slow, actually a pretty quick leak. And then we'll take the red fuzz out hopefully tonight. I was going to take it out during the day, but one of you guys want to see the speed, and you won't be able to see it on the Haltech gauge. So I'll do it at night so you can see it.